Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Shown in its final form from one of the leakers, the leaks continue to reveal the design and specifications of the Galaxy S24 series from Samsung, and the latest leaks are about the changes that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have, as the series is scheduled to be announced at the Samsung conference on January 17, 2024. This introduction, let's go. Officially, this is the real form of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, made of titanium. The color is golden titanium, with a completely flat screen. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra design. Many reports have confirmed that the next generation of Galaxy S24 phones will not bring major changes in design from the current versions of the Galaxy S23 series. New video leaks came via Ice Universe to reveal the design of the screen protection layer on the Galaxy S24 phones. The image confirmed that the Galaxy S24 phones come with the same distinctive design as the previous versions, especially in the main version and the Plus version, as these versions feature rounded corners. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra phone appears with a sharp design in the corners, while the new version differs in the edges of the screen that feature a curved design in the previous Ultra version, but the new version comes with a completely flat design at the edges. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra battery. The battery comes with a capacity of 5,000 mAh, and as leaks have confirmed, fast charging reaches 65 watts. Therefore, the battery will be very powerful and can withstand a full day of high use. In addition, the phone will come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a rate of 3.4 GHz, so the phone will be the fastest phone in the 2024. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra processor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra processor comes with two processors, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and some countries will get an Exynos 2400 processor with Android 14 system when you open the box. The phone carries 12 GB of RAM with internal storage starting at 256 GB and access memory, random 16 GB at 2 TB, which is a special version. As for the price of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the price has not been confirmed with certainty, but we expect the price to start at $1,199 for a 256 GB memory. Certainly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with the most powerful features and specifications that do not come with its smaller brothers, the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24. In the next video, we will talk specifically about the Galaxy S24 Ultra camera and the new artificial intelligence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the Unbox Sebox channel on YouTube. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates about technology and smartphones. Don't go far, we will see you in the next video. Peace out.